This is Crypto World Tonight with Anna Teresa.
All right. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to the crypto world tonight. Again, my name is Anne and I am from the Philippines. Today is Monday here in the Philippines and the time is 1:52 a.m. So, yes, we are going to have another update on some of the coins. So, I'd like to focus actually on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana for today. All right, so let's begin, guys. So, as you can all see, we are looking at Bitcoin at 62,555. Looking good for Bitcoin. However, if we're going to look at the pattern, are we going to break this line? Is it have the same pattern um, in 2022? So you can see green candle, red, and then it will break this line, or it's gonna be sooner, right? So, or we're just waiting for a few more candles. When I say few, one, two candles, and then we're gonna have another rally, right? So as you can all see, RSI is um, at 43. It's kind of high. It's not leave that we might retest this level, uh, 48 to 50 level. That's for me, that's the lowest we could go for this year. Okay, so let's go with Coin Telegraph. Let's read. Okay, so Bitcoin near 63.5K into weekly close as trader warns of terrible Monday. Bitcoin consolidated near 2 week highs into Sunday's weekly close as traders geared up for fresh market turbulence. Key points: Bitcoin approaches its highest levels in 2 weeks, but Mondays have been terrible for BTC price action. A trader warns. BTC USD is in the process of deciding the fate of its 200-week moving average. Crypto market analysis sees greener shoots on the back of the latest US macro data. Wow. So key facts: Bitcoin P&L lowest since December 2022, 60K tested, W reversal. So Bitcoin realized P&L ratio dropped to negative or minus 0.35. The lowest is December 2022. Past similar lows have come before major BTC rallies. BTC USD tested 60K support as centralized exchange inflow stayed near 50K BTC per day for the fourth time this year. A break under 60,000 could expose realized price area near 53K. John Bollinger said BTC USD may form a W reversal on daily and weekly charts, aligning with the lower daily Bollinger Band and showing a fractal of smaller W lows and an M apex. German savings banks add in-app Bitcoin trading and custody. DZ Bank's Me in Crypto is live via VR banking app. Under Mika, DecaBank plans a similar BTC product for this is for 340 banks this year. Michael Saylor and developer David Bailey condemned BIP-110 as a hostile takeover, urging broad consensus from nodes, miners, and holders, noting engineer departures and harassment concerns. With ETH, so for ETH, it's almost the same, guys. So we have the green candle. We are above this trend line. Yes, they are, again, like what I've mentioned last time, they are intact. Okay. For Ethereum, it's like it's like waiting. It's wanting to explode, but they want it to be sure. For this month, this is expected to have a green candle. So are we breaking the resistance here at around 2000? It could be, right? There is a big chance, and then we'll wait for another candle for next month. So we'll be moving. It's like what I've said. um, they're just taking their time. We for the weekly time frame, right? It's the same, especially with the RSI, guys. Wow. So more room for upside here, more room for upside on Ethereum. So this is a daily time frame. So if you're doing it, if you're a day trader, yeah, you might want to put your stop loss here at 2000 level. Okay. So Vitalik Buterin shares top priorities for new lean Ethereum straw map. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has named quantum resistance, scalability, and privacy as three of Ethereum's top priorities under new lean Ethereum straw map, which lays out the network's technical direction for the remainder of the decade. In a post to X on Saturday, Buterin said that the collection of upgrades will roll out over the next 3 to 4 years, touching nearly every layer of Ethereum in a transformation he compared in scale to the September 2022 merge, which shifted the network away from energy intensive mining. So quantum safety has shifted up a lot in priority. He said, adding that finalizing a quantum safe solution for blobs has become urgent. Enhancing privacy is another priority, Buterin said, stating that it has become a first class goal. So the Lian Ethereum straw map timeline from 2026 through 2029. Whoa. So 3 more years for Ethereum to go parabolic again? I don't know. So the change in roadmap comes amid a series of changes at the Ethereum Foundation, which laid off roughly 20% of its staff last month in a bid to become leaner and reduce its budget by 40%. The leaner structure comes on top of several executive departures in recent months, including Xiaowei Wang and Thomas Tarzizak. I hope I'm mentioning or pronouncing their names correctly. Okay, while protocol contributors Tim Bako and Barnaby Monod also left in May. Buterin is also pushing for the development of a new virtual machine like Lean ISA or RI. Crypto analyst Ignas Fyodorovas was also in favor of the plan but cast doubt on the Ethereum Foundation's ability to deliver the upgrades within the stated timeline, citing the organization's history of missing deadlines. Fyodorovas said the only key feature missing from the roadmap was improved tokenomics for Ether, which has continued to slide in price amid a broader market downturn. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. So let's spread the word, the crypto world tonight. So thank you again. My name is Anne. See you next time. Bye.
This is Crypto World Tonight with Anna Teresa.